Morning to all my dear friends and teachers. I am Udan Das of class 7 and is going to share a few lines on the topic generations of computer. Before starting the virtual seminar, mm, we all know we are going through a difficult situation due to COVID-19 and our teachers are sending us our studies uh, by the help of online and computer, so we should also cooperate with them. Now, we all know our every era has been influenced by the world's most advanced machines known as computers. At the previous ages, computers are only used by scientists and astronomers and are very expensive. But nowadays, computers are cheaper and can be affordable and can be afforded by any normal person. These are also used on different fields such as railways, airplanes, and astronomy. Mm, So let's review a short recap through all the computers. Abacus. Abacus is the first mechanical device made in China. It it is made up of a wooden frame and beads. It has two parts. One is heaven and one is earth. The heaven part has two beads and the earth part has five beads. And the next is the Pascaline or the Pascal's calculator. The Pascal's mm, the Pascal's calculator was made in 1642 and was made by Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, at the age of 19. Next is the Lagrange calculator. The Lagrange calculator is an improved version of Pascaline. It was made in 1671. And next comes the generation of computer. The first generation computers are made up of vacuum tubes and are very expensive, bigger, and very difficult to use. Mm, they are not affordable to any normal person. Example: UNIVAC and INAC. The second generation of computers. The second generation of computers are based on transistors.
जोरे
Mm, These these transistors mm, these transistors computers are affordable, cheaper, and smaller than the previous first generation of computers. Mm, The examples are IBM 4000. The third generation computers are based on integrated circuits. These are cheaper, smaller, and easy to use than the first two computers. Example: Apple 1. And next comes the fourth generation computers. The fourth generation computers are the nowadays computers. These computers use very large scale integrated circuits and are cheaper, smaller, and very easy to use. The example of these computers are IBM PC. Next comes the fifth generation computers. The fifth generation computers are based on artificial intelligence. And these computers can think like humans and can solve complex mathematical problems in a second. These computers are present and beyond. Thank you. I know that we will survive this situation quickly. So we should try to save ourselves by staying at home and and protect it from spreading other places. Thank you.